Hi, can you hear me? Hi, I'm Garima, representing Swada. Okay. Oh, sorry. Just give us. Okay, hi, this is Garima from Swada, which is opportunity driven by dignity, is the tagline. Swada, by the name, I think we explain what we do. Swada means in Sanskrit comfort. So we try to provide comfort to our rural customers, especially in the space of wash and sanitation. No, I pressed the right button. It's not working. So why don't you just do it? Okay, so what we do and why? Swada is an ecosystem integrator serving rural people in water and sanitation space, wherein we don't consider the rural people as beneficiaries who are just takers of all fits one fits all solutions, but we consider them as customers, wherein they are the choosers. We acknowledge the concept that rural people also have aspirations, whether it is related to toilet or whether it is related to the brand that they're using, and they have the right to choose from a list of products and services that are offered, like the urban people do. Why we're doing what we're doing? Our aim is to ensure sustained provision of wash products and services, like different types of toilets, products and services for their maintenance, also waste management in terms of biodigesters, women hygiene, and water, that is clean drinking water. And in all these spaces, we have existing international partners. So for example, in toilet maintenance, we provide hygiene kits. We also have innovated something called Rural Toilet Fragrance in the partnership with Firmenich, which is a leading fragrance company. As well as in clean drinking water, partnered with Grundfos to provide cutting-edge rural technology for clean drinking water and ATM metering machines for that. So the aim is really to ensure sustained provision of wash products and services, like all these products and services, based on market forces versus or providing an alternative to the current scenario wherein wash space in rural segment is largely dominated by philanthropic concept of supplying one fits all solutions. To ensure that the provision of products and services in wash do not end after Swachh Bharat, it do not end after one government and the another government. There is a sustained value chain that is established to ensure products and services in terms of water and sanitation. Impact, we are currently based out of Odisha, also Maharashtra and MP. We currently have about 106 entrepreneurs and about 8,000 plus sanitation solutions creating impact. Success in the next 3 years, we would want to expand to about 4 plus states and also replicate the model in Africa and Latin America wherein we have started, because the situation is no different there than in India. Next slide. So what is the innovation? We believe that our innovation is across all three segments. It's a process innovation because we focus on the complete end-to-end value chain. Products and services innovation because whether it is different types of toilets or toilet maintenance or waste management or clean drinking water, we locally innovate and bring in commercial partners and technology in order to provide affordable solutions that are customized to the consumer requirements. And last is technology via ICT for BOP, which I'll explain briefly in the next few slides. So what are we doing? So in short, if a rural person has to use a toilet or think about a toilet, what does the person think right now? One, they need a good design for the toilet. They don't want to use shabby toilets, and that is also a survey which has come out from the Swachh Bharat review. They also think about, okay, now if I want to make a toilet, then where will I get the material from? Whether the material will be guaranteed or poor quality? How will I finance my toilet? And who will do this whole work of trying to get the contractor and build the toilet? Also, they think about maintenance because, as we all know, toilet adoption is much more important than creating a toilet as an asset. Otherwise, they will again go back and do open defecation because they find air in the villages much more comfortable to defecate openly. Also in waste management, a lot of rural people do not want to use toilets because they're worried that the pits will fill 5 years down the line and they'll have to unclog the pits, which they don't want to do. And a lot of issues on sanitation plus, like clean drinking water, women hygiene. Next, please. So what does Swada do? Swada is really, as I said, an ecosystem integrator. So we first do the first mile work, that is R&D. Also coming up with customized designs of toilets, customized designs of products and services in water and sanitation space. Number two, we come up with we partner directly with the national manufacturers of different toilet elements like door, like roof, etc. to ensure that the quality of the provision of products and services or the package is maintained. Third, we do end-to-end supply chain management to our entrepreneurs, which is a key value addition. And fourth is ICT, that the whole of this value chain is maintained through in-house developed applications like Loomstate and like SaniTool, which helps in increasing the efficiency of managing the value chain. This is done at the Swada level. Then we create village entrepreneurs whom we call as Sanipreneurs and open their shop called Shop for Change with different brands. We help them getting access to this whole list of products and services. We also do free home, free doorstep delivery of the complete toilet solution, and we provide them with working capital support with zero interest, but in lieu of a service fee. This is where the livelihood comes in, that based on our surveys, we have seen that our entrepreneur is earning, as on today, about 145% more income than what he or she was doing